Don't get me fucking wrong. I'm not fucking joking. I'm not joking. You don't like the message? You don't like the message? Fucking motherfucking cock. You're really the epitome of the last fucking You're a disgrace in my eyes. Give me the fuck. Oh, sorry. No, I wanted to open the door, but...
Yeah.
So
a little bit too hard.
This is my fault the fucking door breaks. My fault. I'll pay the fucking window. Are you afraid of the fucking window?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, you look afraid.
It's not about the window.
You look afraid. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. You don't love Mother Mary. You don't love the Holy Spirit. You don't love Jesus Christ. You want some fucking radical bullshit. That's what your people want. From atheism right to fucking Islamism, which I fucking hate. I don't know, this fucking door doesn't work.
Not anymore. Wow! Come on.